Testing IGBTs can be time-consuming and expensive with commercial tools. So I built this IGBT tester using Arduino, OLED display, and a few simple components. If you are working with inverters, motor drivers, and power electronics, this tester is a must-have on your bench. Build it yourself and take the guesswork out of your IGBT testing.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, Canitech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description.
This tester features a simple graphical interface and is perfect for rapid diagnostic. This compact tool helps you quickly determine if an IGBT is good, shorted, or open, and even measure its gate threshold voltage. The heart of this tester is an Arduino, which controls the entire test sequence. An OLED display provides a clean and reliable user interface, displaying whether the IGBT is good, shorted, or open, and even shows the gate threshold voltage, which is typically between 4 to 7 volts, since most IGBT requires more than 5 volts on the gate to fully turn on. So we have added a boost converter to generate a stable 12 volt. This ensures accurate testing of real-world IGBTs under proper gate conditions. To keep things safe, especially when dealing with high voltages and powerful transistor, we use optocoupler to isolate Arduino from the IGBT gate drive. This protects your microcontroller from damage and ensure robust and noise-immune switching. To test the IGBT, connect the IGBT to 3-pin terminal connector and press the button. The Arduino runs an automatic test sequence. First, it checks for short and open condition between collector and emitter. If the IGBT fails this test, the test stops and the result is displayed. If it passes, the gate voltage gradually increased by PWM signal of Arduino and the Arduino monitors collector emitter condition. Once the IGBT turns on, the Arduino records gate threshold voltage and displayed on the screen. Now let's test some IGBTs. The results are shown instantly, clear, detailed, and accurate. It's a must-have tool for anyone troubleshooting or testing IGBTs. So whether you are repairing industrial drives or building your own power electronic devices, this DIY IGBT tester is a powerful addition to your toolkit. It is inexpensive and fun to build. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more videos like that, stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.